Hello and welcome to a Noritake tutorial video. In this video, we're going to save an image to the GTCP's FROM2 and then recall that image to the display. So following along from part 2, we used lighthouse.jpg and previewed that image onto the module. So we're going to use this same image and save it to the module's FROM2 and then recall it. So we already have lighthouse.jpg in the FROM2 node. So we need to go down to memory selection and look at the start address, and we're going to make this simple and keep the start address at 0. A different start address can be used if you're trying to avoid certain sections of FROM2. So next we can hit write display. Even though we have all these checked, it'll only write to FROM2 because nothing else is in any of these other memory nodes. We can see the start and end address and the number of bytes being written. We'll hit OK, then it will write that data to the module. We'll see this bit of extra information on the right side in the map area pop up. We can see at address 0, the lighthouse image is saved with a resolution of 800 by 480 and a 16-bit high-speed color format. Additionally, there's a byte sequence down below here. This sequence will recall the image from FROM2 to the display. This byte command is specifically tailored for this image that was saved. And if I double click on this, this byte sequence will be sent to the module via the USB cord. So let's double click. And the image is immediately recalled and shown on the display. And it's very fast because it's being recalled from FROM2 and not being sent through the USB cord. Thanks for watching.